Hi all, good afternoon. I am Roop Dharak, founder director of A&I Magazine, Hyderabad, Arkin Publications Private Limited. For today's podcast session, we have a young, dynamic, dashing, a very passionate guy, my close friend, my younger brother, Arsh Gupta from Arya Homes, Delhi. Hi Arsh, how are you?
Pleasure meeting you. Always good. Good to see you again.
First of all, thank you so much. I keep tracking you on your Instagram. You are deadly occupied as you're working pan India. I've seen you working in Raipur, you're working in Goa, you're working in Guwahati, you're working in Hyderabad, you're working in Delhi. That too with very good, renowned people, renowned brands. In this busy schedule, I have just given you a call, asked you for your time for a podcast session, and you've given a time. So kind of you. Thank you very much, Ash.
Thank you. It's a pleasure. When you told me for this opportunity, I was like, this is the moment. I was actually flying back to Delhi last evening, but then this got planned, and I was like, no, I have to.
Yeah, I
Like,
have
do
seen
it.
you last night. You were in Goa and sorry, last evening you were in Goa. Last night you landed Hyderabad.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, Arsh, Arya Homes,
Yeah.
how this journey started?
Oh, this this has been a roller coaster ride for me because I've been into a lot of multiple business before. Like an entrepreneur these days, how you should always have a hunger in a belly. And what you see today, there's a lot of failure happened before. A lot of my other businesses which I've started didn't work. But one thing that always keeps me going is a never give up attitude. So when you're talking about Arya Homes, I started my career with real estate
Oh,
back in Delhi.
okay.
And I was a very young guy. I still remember I passed out my college and I was sitting with the top real estate, not can't say broker, they're consultant, they're developers. So they were my friends. Look, I was hardly 20. They were like of 35, 30 plus, 35. So I was exposed to a lot of money that time. Uh, so that had made me realize that, okay, I want to do something in this industry, in this business. But construction, builder, you need a lot of backup for that. You need either today who are into this business, their previous generation, I'm talking about the construction part.
Got it.
The previous generation has worked really hard and few are already started. But once the construction is done, the main part starts is your interior. So before this, after my education, I actually lived in 4 different countries.
Oh,
Yeah, and my last stay was in Dubai for almost 4 years.
okay.
There I worked with the Mac, and I was exposed to high-end luxury interiors. I've seen those properties where people come and buy. In the Palm Jumeirah side, they have seen Versace's villa. Oh my God! The moment I entered, this is crazy,
True.
and people are spending money.
Yeah.
So then I came back. I joined because if you want to start your interior business, you should firstly have a contact. You should be connected with the right architects, right interior designers. And when you're not, your pedigree is not from this field, how are you going to get started? I started with job, coming back with a very decent, they're not paying me well, but for me, it was like an internship.
Got
You know,
it.
they're like top Italian companies have their own showroom in Pan India. Started with the furniture. I've learned what the quality of the finishes is all about. Okay. Then my next job I moved to into the micro concrete and wall texture finishes. There where my interest came up. I was like, this is crazy. This is something which is, you know, which actually beautifies your house.
True.
In today's interiors, my taste is very minimalistic because everybody has a different kind of taste.
100%.
So I have understood that if you're doing a right wall finishes, wall and like, for example, now we talk about textures, not even a wall paper. So if you do a proper wall and ceiling is done and a good lighting, your 80% house is done. There was a time of interiors before where people used to put a lot of artwork, furniture pieces, small. वो घर भर जाता था. अब वो
Same.
चीज़ नहीं रहा because the spaces have gone small, so they want very spacious तो वो सब चीज़ों को दिमाग में रखते हुए फिर मैंने कहा कि now this is the time, I have made my market, I've made the contacts, I've actually connected with the best people who have been working in this industry for a long time. There is a guy who've worked with big brands in the furniture industry. He was the production head with those companies, and he's really good. So when I met him, I told him that, buddy, I want to start my own company now. He said, if you are starting up, I'm going to leave my job. This, because he'd been working for 12 years in that big company.
Oh,
He showed me that faith. He was like, Arsh, the fire in you, I know that initially it might be difficult, but once we make it, we will make it big. So he had that faith in me. The same thing when I got into touch with my micro concrete team. That guy has been trained from the main company from Spain and Italy. Those two people have come. So he have worked with those bigger companies. And when I proposed him, I said, boss, initial days, I won't be able to give you that much salary or the profit expecting. But after a year, there will be no looking back.
true.
He has also shown me that faith. He's like, Ash, I'm with you. The same thing, one person who's been doing metallic paints for a very long period of time. And they all know one thing, that Arsh will never compromise on the quality. Initial days, it was very difficult to make people understand why you are expensive.
Yeah,
Then I said, I'm not expensive. I am just giving you the best quality work, because everything comes with a price tag.
true.
And the kind of finishes, the kind of product I'm using. For example, if I'm selling you at 115, my costing coming into 100 rupees. There are so other companies की वो करेगा, यार मैं तो इसे आधे रेट पे, मुझे वो क्लाइंट कहते हैं मुझे इससे आधे रेट पे मिल रहा है. That is so challenging to make them understand कि उनका प्रोसेस और मेरा प्रोसेस बहुत डिफरेंट है. इनिशियल डेज में इट वाज वेरी चैलेंजिंग and difficult, but now people know. Yeah, when they see the finishes, the quality, they're like, no, this is the value for money. And I'm sure people who are spending a good amount of money in their property, because in the end you must be spending, you have spent a lot of money to buy this house.
True.
But अगर आपका इंटीरियर ही आपने उसमें कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर दिया, तो फिर वो क्योंकि इन दी एंड वही दिखेगा.
सही बात है.
अगर वो चीज प्रॉपर नहीं हुआ, फिर तो थिंग्स गो ऑन वेस्ट.
So now you're working pan India,
Yeah.
and if I'm not wrong, you have your entire setup in Delhi.
Yeah.
So how are you managing the things? Because it is not easy to work pan India, manage the things, and as you said just now, ki you are inclined towards quality more. So how do you maintain all this?
So I have a dedicated team. My hiring style is very different. When I hire people for my company, and whoever is watching and want to join Arya Homes, that's for them. That when I get a CV, I'm not so much. I don't look for experience. एक साल का भी experience होगा that's more than enough. But if you have that interest in you,
True. That's
मुझे
very
कुछ
important.
बड़ा करना है, and by the time they know as a company कि यार अच्छा करेंगे, एक ब्रांड बनना है ना, तो अगर आप अच्छे हो ना, तो eventually you connect with the right people.
Very true.
So I hire जिसके अंदर जज्बा है, जो मुझे गोली ना दे. बिकॉज क्या होता है कि इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू ट्रैक एवरीबॉडी.
100%.
इनिशियल डेज आई हैव मेड द मिस्टेक्स, आई हैव हायर्ड एक्सपीरियंस देख के, नहीं यार, क्योंकि आई ऑलवेज लाइक टू वर्क विद अ फ्रेश ब्रीड, जिसके अंदर ना वो कुछ अच्छा करना है, कुछ ऑब्वियसली पीपल आर वर्किंग
एनर्जी लेवल शो, एंथुसियाज्म हो, सब हो उसमें.
एंड इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई हैव आल्सो वॉच्ड इन वन ऑफ द पॉडकास्ट वेयर दैट गाय ट्रूली सेड, आई फॉरगॉट हु वाज ही, that a lot of your success of a startup depends on the founder's energy.
100%.
Agar if you are not that energetic and if you're not that passionate, टीम नहीं करेगा वैसा, और आप पीछे पड़ के मार के काम नहीं करा सकते हो. एंड आई एम नॉट दैट काइंड ऑफ अ गाय कि यार क्यों काम नहीं हो रही हो. आई डोंट इवन शाउट. फॉर मी इट्स वेरी सिंपल. ईदर यू आर वर्किंग, you work like a family, and I give them the entire ownership. The reason of success is, for now, we are just tasting success. We haven't reached that. It's a very long journey. I won't say success. I would say that where we in a much better place than last year is just because the team takes the work as their ownership. If हैदराबाद में कोई काम हो रहा है जो यहाँ पे टीम काम कर रहे हैं ना, उनको मैं कहता हूँ आप आर्या होम्स के ओनर हो. दिस इज योर वर्क. दिस इज हाउ you don't think you're working as a salary because पैसा salary is a byproduct.
True.
अगर आप क्वालिटी में करोगे ना तो एंड यस माई डिफरेंट मॉडल इज हाउ आई गिव देम द इंसेंटिव्स बिकॉज हर कोई people get motivated with two things. One is appreciation, one is money.
100%.
I make sure that whatever money we make, apart from the factory and all these working expenses, they get the good money. और जो लास्ट में बचता है that's for the company.
Got it.
My working is a very different way. And yes, in the end, at times my production is happening in Delhi. Gurgaon में हमारा setup है. So we have a dedicated team for quality check, production. There's a process, you send me a design, we discuss on the call. आपका कोई डिज़ाइन आया है, we will then start our working. एक शॉप ड्राइंग होता है, उसके बाद we do take the sign off. Once that is done, we receive the advance, we start the production. वो प्रोसेस होने के बाद, जब प्रोडक्शन होने के बाद लास्ट में जब फिनिशिंग स्टेज पे आता है, there is a team for quality check. Once the quality check is done, I know my team will go mad at me because I go crazy when at times in the end when the final QC has to be done by me. So if I'm on travel, suppose परसों delivery है अभी, by the time I don't check with myself because I go with the minute details thing about कि यार यहाँ पे I know that even for the client or the architects उनको नहीं दिखेगा, वो छोटा चीज़ है पर मुझे दिख रहा है, मुझे तकलीफ देता है. मैंने कहा कि नहीं यार, मज़ा नहीं आया इसमें, वो फिनिश नहीं आया जो मैं चाहता.
First, you want to be satisfied before the material get delivered.
100%. तो वो सेटिस्फैक्शन होने उस वजह से शायद एक दो दिन ना कभी कभार डिलीवरी डिले हो जाता है. एंड माई क्लाइंट्स एंड आर्किटेक्ट्स ऑल्सो नोज दैट कि मुझे फिर उसके लिए डांट पड़ती है. बट वंस दे गेट इट द फाइनल प्रोडक्ट, दे आर हैप्पी. वो एक दो दिन के लिए वो मैनेज करना पड़ता है बिकॉज अगर एवरीथिंग इज फाइन, इफ द क्वालिटी QC हैज बीन डन प्रॉपर्ली, आई एम सेटिस्फाइड, इमीडिएटली पैक होकर नेक्स्ट डे शिपिंग निकल जाता है.
Basically, you're into concept selling. Concept is designed by a designer. You get it customized, then it is delivered with all the formalities. So, how do you meet the timelines in this? Generally, it's a very time consuming, and at times it happens that client is in hurry, architect is in hurry. So, how do you meet the timelines with the best finished product?
This is every time, every time whenever we get a project. See, now they know the quality and the finishes. Now the fight starts with the timeline.
Yeah.
और मैं पहले बात एक ही कहता हूँ, जल्दी का काम शैतान का है.
True.
वो मैं नहीं करता. हाँ, क्या होता है कि कभी आपका सपोज एक जिस स्टेज से हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं ना, वो स्टेज में आते आते सिविल वगैरह में जो भी टाइम लगते रहता है, बट जहाँ पे इंटीरियर का स्टेज आ जाता है, देयर द मेजर टाइम कंज्यूमिंग हैपन्स. अगर इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अ बिगर स्केल, इफ आई डूइंग अ फार्म हाउस, वो टाइमलाइन से 6-8 महीना 1 साल डिले होता ही होता है मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम. क्या होता है कि इनिशियल स्टेज में जो भी आपका डिज़ाइन फाइनल होता है और फाइनल एग्जीक्यूशन तक बहुत सारे चेंजेस हो जाते हैं, रिवाइज हो जाता है, बिकॉज दीज डेज ऑल द क्लाइंट्स आर वेरी मच एजुकेटेड. पहले एक टाइम था कि क्लाइंट ने बोल दिया कि अभी क्या है कि वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सपोज टू द इंटरनेट. वी टॉक अबाउट पिंटरेस्ट और इंस्टाग्राम. क्लाइंट्स वहाँ जाते हैं, वहाँ देखते हैं, बट उस वजह से ना प्रोजेक्ट भी डिले हो जाता है. क्या होता है कि अभी दे ऑल्सो हैव टू हैव अ फेथ इन देयर डिज़ाइनर्स. मैं कहता हूँ कि अगर आपको कुछ चीज़ पसंद आ गया ना, तो अगर आप, क्योंकि इसमें देयर इज़ नो एंड. आपने सपोज ये कॉन्सेप्ट फाइनल कर लिया है और कल आप सुबह उठ के देखोगे क्लाइंट ने एकदम से खोला, उनको नया चीज़ और दिख गया, अब उनको ये अच्छा लग रहा है. मेरे साथ बहुत बार हो चुका है कि मेरा प्रोडक्शन भी स्टार्ट हो चुका है, मेरा प्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट होगा, मटेरियल कट चुका है, अब नेक्स्ट डे कॉल आता है इमीडिएटली, नहीं यार वी आर नॉट लाइकिंग दिस एंड वी हैव टू चेंज, प्लीज़. अरे हर कोई करता है, कोई करता नहीं है. अब मैं क्या, मैं मना नहीं कर सकता हूँ. मैंने कहा कि पता है, और इसमें ना लॉसेस बहुत हो जाता है. क्योंकि आपका एक बार प्रोडक्शन के पहले कुछ बोल देते हैं तो फिर चाहिए, अगर ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट हो चुका है, बट देन आई इमीडिएटली डोंट से येस. तो आई वाज लाइक थोड़ा टाइम लेता हूँ. मैंने कहा कि ठीक है यार, उनको भी घर पे रहना है, मन मार के क्यों किसी को रखना है.
सही बात है.
एक बार वो घर पे जाएगी, एक बार चीज हो जाएगा. Once they are happy and satisfied, we will be satisfied in the end. And that's how I get a lot of reference business from my clients, because once they are happy and satisfied, they refer me to 10 other people. So ये प्रोसेस में ना टाइम टेकिंग हो जाता है. तो इसमें हम किसी को ब्लेम नहीं कर सकते. Client are doing their best because obviously they are spending the money. They wanted to have the best thing. Architects and designers, they have also a lot of projects going on. अब एक फाइनलाइज होने के साथ साथ वो क्लाइंट ने बोला कि इसमें चेंजेस होने हैं. अब वो चेंजेस इमीडिएटली नहीं होता है ना, बिकॉज दे आर ऑल्सो पैक्ड विद लॉट्स ऑफ वर्क.
True.
तो वो फाइनलाइज होके आते रहते, फिर उसमें एक टाइम कंज्यूमिंग हो जाता है. बाय द टाइम इट अगेन कम्स टू मी रीवर्क करने के लिए, बिकॉज मैं तो बैठा हूँ, मुझे एक फिनिश करने में 1.5 महीना लगेगा. अगर कुछ हो 1.5 महीना लगेगा.
सही बात है.
वो 1.5 महीना तब से है जब वो मुझे फाइनल करके देंगे. अगर उनका फाइनल होने में अभी वो 4 महीना लग गया, तो मेरा उसके बाद से 1.5 महीना काउंट होता है. और कभी कभार क्या होता है, डिपेंड्स ऑन द वेदर ऑल्सो. बिकॉज आप अगर कोई भी फर्नीचर में अगर कोई आप सीलर मार रहे हो, टॉप कोट कर रहे हो, बेस कोट भी मार रहे हो, हर एक लेयर को ना ड्राई होने में टाइम लगता है.
Yes.
और दिल्ली में विंटर्स में स्पेशली 2 दिन की जगह उसको 4 दिन भी लग सकता है.
Yes.
और मैं ना वो हीटिंग से ना वो नहीं करता हूँ मेरी में ना, बिकॉज
नेचुरल से होना चाहिए.
नेचुरल से क्या होता है कि आपका हीटिंग से ना ऊपर से ड्राई होता है, नीचे का फिर भी रह जाता है. तो इसलिए ना बहुत बड़े बड़े कंपनीज प्रोडक्शन टाइम 6 महीना क्यों लेते हैं. दिस इज एक्चुअली द मेन रीजन. क्यूरिंग टाइम जो होता है ना, बिकॉज जब वो प्रॉपरली हील होकर सूख के जाएगा ना, जब उसके बाद आप नेक्स्ट लेयर डालोगे ना, फिर वो सूखेगा, फिर फाइनल कोट डालोगे ना, देन यू गेट द डिजायर्ड फील. एंड बिकॉज व्हेन पीपल आर स्पेंडिंग अ लॉट ऑफ मनी इन दिस, अगर वही चीज़ फिनिश प्रॉपरली नहीं बैठेगा ना, फिर क्लाइंट्स कहते हैं कि नहीं तुम्हारा ये फिनिश सही नहीं हुआ है. मैंने बोला आपने मेरे को डंडा मार के 15 दिन में काम करवाया, वही काम मुझे जो 1.5 महीने का काम है, अगर मैं कम टाइम में करूँगा तो कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ होगा ही. कभी कभार किसी रिलेशनशिप के लिए करना पड़ता है, बट अरविंद आई एम वेरी मच नो, आई एम हैप्पी टू से नो टू अ प्रोजेक्ट ज़्यादा दिन कि यार जल्दबाजी में करके चीज़ें खराब कर दूँ.
Yeah, you are building a brand, so can't keep that on stake.
आई एम obsessed with my brand.
I know that.
I am like, for me, profit is negligible. I won't say, obviously everybody is working for money.
Basically, it's a byproduct for you.
Yeah, it's a byproduct of my brand, and I know the pedigree which I've done in the initial days stage. This will be profitable from next year. This year I focus on taking the bigger brands on board.
Like today's market is very competitive, Harsh. It's a very competitive market. You have n numbers of players in the market. How do you stand tall in this market, and whom do you take as your competitor? I need very precise answer.
The market is very competitive. The market has been where whatever rate you quote, the client will come up with a different vendor with a half rate. This is a bigger challenge. And but the problem is they don't understand to get this rate, half rate. वो क्वालिटी तो छोड़ो, वो मेरा वो मटेरियल पे नहीं आ रहा है इतने में. क्लाइंट को समझाना बहुत मुश्किल होता था. मार्केट इज गोइंग बैड डे बाय डे, बिकॉज इतने ऑप्शन, स्पेशली दिल्ली में. तभी मैं पैन इंडिया क्यों काम करूँ, बिकॉज दिल्ली में ना लोगों को समझाना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता था. आई थिंक इवेंचुअली पीपल आर गेटिंग एजुकेटेड, एंड where I stand different in the market, because people don't buy the product, they first buy you. I have built up that faith and that name in the market where people know that आर्य होम्स अर्श कर रहा है ना, अच्छा करके देगा. अगर वो पैसा ले रहा है ना, क्वालिटी का पैसा ले रहा है. ये चीज़ को आने में थोड़ा टाइम लगा है. आई वॉन्ट टू सस्टेन इट फॉर अ फ्यूचर एंडिवर जितना भी काम कर, एंड दैट इज द रीजन वाई I don't have a partner. This is my sole business. This is where I'm the founder, I'm the director, I am the worker. QC भी मैं ही रहता हूँ. मतलब मैं झाड़ू पोछा भी करता हूँ, मेरे फर्नीचर में मैं सफाई भी करता हूँ, उसको स्टार्ट भी मैंने ही किया. तो मेरी इट्स लाइक माई बेबी. The moment I'll have, and there are a lot of people, they wanted to be part of Arya Homes now. They want to be an investor, they want to be a partner. But I'm glad, where people are showing faith.
True.
They now see that there is a bigger future with this company, because in initial days में क्या होता है कि ना, it's very difficult to survive as well.
100%.
I have seen hard times, very very hard times. Where people can't even imagine what they see today. There's a lot of hardship that happened, and that's why I'm here.
True.
And so now, if I have somebody else in the company, they'll be like, यार ठीक है यार, भाई कुछ पैसे ही नहीं बन रहा है इसमें. We're looking for profit. यार इसको compromise करो, यहाँ compromise करो. वो मुझे नहीं करना है. मुझे करना ही नहीं. I'm very happy to say no to a project rather than ये तोड़ फाड़ के कट कुट करके, because इसके लिए ना पूरा मार्केट भरा पड़ा है.
Same.
They people, the HNIs, my client is luxury, who want to spend money on luxury, who want to have a good finishes. They are my clients. So I want to give them that faith that your money where you're investing is going in the right place.
True.
And the second question you have asked me, who are my competitors?
Yeah.
Uh,
Whom do you think that he is a competitor? Because lots of players are in Delhi, especially when I am from Hyderabad. I've seen many Delhi big guys are working in Hyderabad with the good professionals out here. So whom do you think is your competitor there?
That's a very good question. A lot of people are asking me these days, who are you competing with? There is only one company I'm competing with. That's Arya Homes.
Wow.
Every day. Because, see, I am doing 4, 5, 7 things under one roof. अभी तक according to my knowledge, correct me if I'm wrong, कि अभी तक कोई और नहीं कर रहा है. Either companies, there are a few companies are doing wall surfaces, wall finishes, paint, polish, wall textures. का एक company है. Furniture के लिए company है. They are doing bespoke furniture. They're doing very good. There are companies who are doing millwork and doors. There is a company who is doing kitchen and wardrobe. But if you talk about Arya Homes, you're doing kitchen, wardrobe, furniture, millwork, doors, wall texture, and metallic paints. These are the 7 things we're doing under one roof.
Oh.
And every department has a dedicated person who have been in this industry for a very long period of time. That's why people call me the Steve Jobs of this industry, where I picked up the best people from the industry, formed this company. Why this 7 departments? The reason is why यही 7 चीजें हैं जो आपको अल्टीमेटली घर पे मोस्टली दिखता है.
Yes, every space you design you need this. Totally agree.
उसके अलावा जो है that's beautification, where you're putting curtains, lights हो गए, artificial lights ये उसके लिए है. So that's वो भी चाहिए तो मैं करा देता हूँ. And बाकी that macro concrete, wall texture, this is a very new concept here in India.
True.
And so वो सेगमेंट में अगर देखूं तो मेरा कंपटीशन अभी चलाना बाकी है.
In your experience, what is the biggest mistake people make while designing or renovating their space?
What do you think? I want to know from your point now.
My point of view is like the biggest mistake what people do is whenever they hire any professional, they should give him a free hand to work. Give them your budgeting, give them your requirements. Rest, aesthetics and functionality are to be left on him or her, whomever they are giving the work. Reason behind that is they are experienced people. They know in and out.
Correct.
And they can come up with the solution. And the person is giving the space. He's a part-time designer till the time his space get designed. And his focus is only on aesthetics. And one more very important thing is the documentation should be done very properly and later on there should be very minimal changes that should happen, which is not happening, is what I am saying. This is what problem people face, is what I think.
Correct.
As per you, because reason to ask you this is we are working in Hyderabad and in a very limited areas, nearby areas, but you are working pan India, and moreover you are coming from Delhi, which is like a big hub. Delhi, Mumbai are the big hub for architects and interiors. You know it very
Correct.
well. So I would like to know your point of view, which can help both professionals and end client.
Very true. You exactly said what I wanted to tell you. That's the most important thing, because क्या होता है कि clients are looking for the aesthetic, but जो functionality है, जो उसका एक look के साथ जो अभी जैसे यहाँ पे ये सेंटर टेबल के साथ ये सोफा है रखा है हमने एल शेप का, अगर हमने यहाँ पे साथ में डिज़ाइन वाले ने मेरे को यहाँ पे एक वो फ्लावर वाज भी चाहिए, बट इट्स नॉट इजीली एक्सेसिबल। तो बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को ना माइन्यूट रख के डिटेलिंग पे अ डिज़ाइनर और एन आर्किटेक्ट दे डू द वर्किंग एंड देन दैट्स हाउ दे मेक द एंटायर डिज़ाइन। इसलिए कहते हैं ना कि डिज़ाइनिंग बनने में तो टाइम लगता है। वेन एवर अ बिग प्रोजेक्ट डिज़ाइनिंग टेक कपल ऑफ मंथ्स
True.
बिकॉज और वो होने के बाद इमेजिन करो कि ओके clients have a lot of access these days to your Pinterest and your Instagram. So obviously that's they are making a dream house. So they're very much
100%. They are also right at their place. They're not wrong.
correct. They wanted that wow factor in their house. So just to get that, they're always and by the end of the project they actually become a designer now.
True.
They like अब तो जब नेक्स्ट घर करूंगी ना या करूंगा मुझे पता है क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है, बट दैट प्रोसेस इज अ वेरी टाइम टेकिंग। सो अगर कोई डिज़ाइन फाइनल हो जाता है एंड सडनली क्या होता है कि विथ मेरे साथ क्या होता है, बहुत बार हो चुका है एक दो बार कि क्लाइंट्स ने ना कुछ डिज़ाइन फाइनल हो गया, एवरीथिंग इज अप्रूव्ड, वी टेक अ साइन ऑफ आफ्टर वी डू रिलीज द शॉप ड्राइंग, वी टेक अ साइन ऑफ एंड देन वी स्टार्ट द प्रोडक्शन। उसमें जनरली क्या है कि आपको चेंजेस नहीं करा सकते
True.
बिकॉज आप मटेरियल प्रोक्योर करके करते हो, इट्स वेरी
And तभी तो टाइमलाइंस में काम होगा। अगर बार बार चेंजेस होंगे तो काम होगा भी कैसे,
करेक्ट।
और वो फिनिश भी नहीं आ पाएगा। इफ यू आर रीडूइंग सेम थिंग अगेन एंड अगेन, यू विल नॉट गेट द फिनिश व्हाट यू आर लुकिंग फॉर।
वो जो पहले पे जो होता है ना, उसके बाद आप जितना भी उसको रिकंस्ट्रक्ट करके बनाओ, वो
Yes, yes.
रिकंस्ट्रक्ट ही रहता है।
100%.
और एक चीज को बनाने में टाइम नहीं लगता जितना उसको री करके दोबारा बनाने में ना,
Very true.
बिकॉज उसमें वो ज्यादा टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है।
Yes.
पीपल क्लाइंट लाइक अरे एक एक फुट ही तो कम करना है, बोले एक एक फुट में आपका पूरा डिजाइन चेंज हो रहा है, मतलब आपको उसको पूरा मिनिमाइज करने में ही अगर आप कट करने में, तो उनको समझाना इट्स अ वेरी नेक्स्ट थिंग। बट या एंड क्या होता है कि सपोज अ क्लाइंट इज वॉचिंग ऑन Pinterest, उनको एक वॉल दिख रहा है, सपोज उनको एक ये वाला वॉल पे ये डिज़ाइन अच्छा लगा, मेरे को ये करना है, बट वो ये नहीं सोच रहे कि ये तो सिर्फ मुझे एक साइड दिख रहा है, जो बाकी का जो 3 वॉल्स है, 3 एरियाज है, उसको आप कैसे करोगे, उसके साथ तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट नहीं करेगा।
True.
Because a designer, so my clients become my friends by the time we enter the project, by this the stage which comes in, and they ask me, Arshia, please help me out यार, मुझे बताओ। अब मैं तो बता सकता हूँ, मेरे पास 10,000 ऑप्शंस हैं। मैं उनको यही कहता हूँ कि यार एक डिजाइनर हैज वर्कड रियली हार्ड टू गेट अ थीम ऑफ योर हाउस।
That's very important.
वो चीज़ को आप डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हो, आप चेंज करना चाह रहे हो फॉर XYZ रीजन, दिस विल गोना हैम्पर योर टाइमलाइन। क्या होता है कि उसके वजह से, और कभी कभार क्लाइंट्स आर वेरी दे ऑब्वियसली दे आर स्पेंडिंग मनी, दे हैव ऑल द राइट्स, दे लाइक नहीं मुझे ये चेंज कराना ही है। वो पर्टिकुलरली मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ दैट वन वॉल आपका फ्लोरिंग चेंज होगा, आपकी पैनलिंग चेंज होंगे, आपकी सीलिंग चेंज होगा, आपकी पूरा उस एक वॉल के लिए ना यू आर अगेन 2 months बिहाइंड।
True.
वो चीज़ों को अगर आप काउंटेबिलिटी लेते हो ऐसा करते करते ना, इन एज अ लार्ज स्केल में ना 6 महीने 1 साल तो डिले होता ही होता है।
हाँ, मेरे को भी वही लगता है कि अगर पेपर वर्क व्यवस्थित तरीके से फाइनलाइज हो जाए ना, देन यू हैव टू लीव ऑल दिस एंड जस्ट गेट डन वर्क, गेट योर प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीटेड, तभी उसका वो आउटकम आएगा। अगर ज्यादा टाइम भी लग जाता ना, यू लूज द इंटरेस्ट। इट्स व्हाट आई पर्सनली फील।
एग्जैक्टली। बट जो आप कह रहे हो ना, वो अगर हो जाए ना तो लाइफ विल बिकम वेरी इजी फॉर अस ऑल्सो।
यस।
बट 99% टाइम वो नहीं होता है, क्योंकि फिर वो चेंजेस करते करते उसके साथ साथ द मेजर प्रॉब्लम ऑल्सो हैपन्स कि क्लाइंट का ना एक डेडलाइन होता है।
ट्रू।
वो हर जगह से चीज़ों में जो फंस जाते हैं ना, उनका भी एक घर का गृह प्रवेश का एक डेट होगा, मुझे इस दिन में घर पे एंट्री करनी है।
यस, इट्स
कभी
देयर।
हम हमारे इंडियंस वी आर वेरी स्पिरिचुअल दैट वे, मतलब हमें
यस।
वी फॉलो ऑल दिस ना, इस डेट पे घर पे घुसना। बट मैक्सिमम ऑफ माई प्रोजेक्ट हैपेंस कि क्लाइंट 80% घर का काम खत्म हुआ है, 70% में उनको एंट्री करना पड़ता
एंट्री
है।
करना पड़ता है, होता है वैसे।
उसके बाद देन वी प्लान आउट कि आपको सेक्शन वाइज क्या पहले ख़त्म करके देंगे, बिकॉज तब
True.
जाके होगा। बिकॉज क्या होता है कि स्टेज में आते आते प्रोजेक्ट डिले होता है, उनका भी पेमेंट स्टक हो जाते हैं एंड डिलीवरीज में भी इश्यूज आते हैं। मैंने कहा ठीक है, देन वी सिट एंड अंडरस्टैंड, वी टॉक, आई टॉक वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंट विद माई क्लाइंट्स, टेल मी बॉस व्हाट इज द सिचुएशन, वेयर वी आर स्टैंडिंग, दैट वे I'll be able to help you out. So then when we talk we understand कि अच्छा इसमें अभी ये सिचुएशन है, इसको हम किस तरीके से हम डील कर सकते हैं, हैंडल कर सकते हैं. तो तब जाके हम रूम वाइज करते हैं, बट फिर भी डिले होता ही है, आप चाहे कितना भी कोशिश करो. बट हाँ, इफ क्लाइंट्स इनिशियल डेज में वो कर लेना कि मेरे को ये चीज़ें पसंद है, ये ऐसा ऐसा है, एंड दे कम्प्लीटली लाइक अब मुझे जो मेरे डिज़ाइनर बोल रहे मैं उनको रिलाई करके छोड़ दे रहा हूँ, तो टाइमलाइन को मैच कर सकते हैं.
This is what happened in corporates, you see. That's the reason 2.5 million square foot office, 8 million square foot office, 10 million square foot office, they complete it in given time. They always meet the timelines.
Yeah.
Reason behind that is once the paperwork is done, once they are ready with the mock-up, finished. There is no stoppage. Neither architect will intervene, neither client will intervene. It is just to whom they have given the contract, he should justify the work and he should deliver what he have done in the mock-up. That is the reason they are able to deliver such huge works.
Absolutely. And one of the reason why I do retail spaces also, as
Yeah.
you know, but I don't. Commercial projects are very price constrained. उनके पास budget कम होते हैं ये. तो I pick my clients that way. मुझे I wanted bigger brands. I have done AMPM. We have done Baby Forest and ये आपका भी Saba and all. We are doing some commercials where retails they have a very good market value in the market.
True.
That's for my company's credibility. You know, we are also doing their projects.
Yes.
So, but these are the clients, these are the retail clients where they wanted high quality finishes. They wanted, no, I don't want to compromise on the quality. I don't want to compromise on the pricing, but I want a best work to be done. And that's how we got connected. And it was difficult to convince the first client. नहीं यार, इससे मेरे को तो इससे आधे रेट में काम हो रहा है. मैंने बोला फिर आपका काम भी आधा ही दिखेगा, जो आप चाह रहे हो ना वैसा नहीं आएगा. And then once one got convinced, eventually now when they've seen the work, ऐसा करते 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 we have got some good. No, Hotel was, I wanted that brand on board like anything, you know, but their prices were like
True.
कुछ भी नहीं. I've spent a lot of money from my pocket.
Generally, what happens, what's my personal thinking is, few works we get where we doesn't work for earning. We work for a name, fame. That is basically an investment.
Yeah, yeah.
And I'm very curious to know about one thing, Harsh. Please be open and say if you can. You have done one project at Zoo Beach for one of the very popular cricketer.
Yeah.
Yeah. So can we know something about that? A name of that cricketer, especially if is it possible for you?
I've signed a non-disclosure thing with him, so we were not. I'm not still not allowed to share his name, social media. But he's one of the best cricketer we have in the country,
In the world, you can say.
in the world. Yeah, absolutely. He is very passionate. When you talk about his fitness, you talk about his cricketing. So he is a very passionate guy, and maybe that's the reason why we got connected.
What was your experience working with him? Have you ever met him at the side? He was
I've never met him, but it was a pleasure doing it because I believe he doesn't stay in that house. He stays in a different property. That's one of his investment house.
okay.
But it was for me. It was a big opportunity to do that house for him, and that gave me a lot of different projects. So that was like
Stepping stone?
Stepping stone. It was game changer for me because they have liked the work. He
Great.
got a good recommendation from there, and rest is history. I've been
Yeah,
doing that.
we can say that. So, why Arya Homes? What is the meaning of Arya? Is it personal? Can I ask?
Yeah,
Or-
yeah.
yeah.
It is personal. Arya is AR is Arsh. YA was my. We were about to get married, and then things.
So you're still not married?
No. I'm
That's
happy.
the reason you're able to work pan India. You don't have any limitations. You can roam around everywhere and work very freely, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And
So what plans to get settled in a personal life? It's very personal question.
I'm good.
But-
I'm good. Nothing bad. Yeah, because my mom will be the happiest one to. If she's watching this, she will watch it tomorrow. Because every day the same questions. I said this year I am married to my company. I always say I'm already married to my brand. But if I wants me to get marriage, my mom, I told her that I committed next year. Definitely, I'll get married for sure. But
So-
who? I don't know.
So once you get married, definitely there will be more responsibility at personal life.
Yeah.
So traveling will definitely get reduced. For one or other reason, it can be because family bonding हो जाएगा बहुत strong. So any plans to give franchisee models in South India or North India or state-wise Arya Homes? Are they looking for it?
Absolutely, we are. It's I think in couple of months we are coming up with something really big in Hyderabad.
Great.
We are coming up with maybe a store.
Wow.
We are a place we do have. We are working on it. So hopefully we will have this. Hyderabad will be our main market for South India. From here,
Definitely, because it's a center of South India and very accessible.
correct.
And you being a Delhi from Delhi, language will not be a barrier in Hyderabad.
क्या बोलते हो मियाँ मेरे को तो हैदराबादी में भी बात करना आता है. So for me, I was also into acting. Na? When I came back to India, I was bumped in Bombay, and there was somebody who has offered me a role. One of the casting director I met in the club. We have done TV serial Ekta Kapoor show, and I'm like a natural actor, not even actor. Like it wasn't one of the experience where I was exposed to, worked with Malaika Arora.
Wow.
Then there are these few people. They said that this is one guy who has a very unconventional look, a bald, ribbed, fair, who has a language. So I still remember my first shot when at the camera, the director said, "Action, walk." I was walking like this, and he's like, "Sir, मैंने आपको as a doctor hire किया है. Like for this role, you're a doctor. You're not a bodyguard, or you're not a like FBI guy." You're like, but they understand. See, because maybe my education has actually helped me a lot. So because whatever you do, मैं अगर acting भी किया हूँ ना थोड़े time के लिए, तो I've done it with a lot of passion. मुझे ना
I can see that because I am also connected with you since long time.
yeah.
I have seen your passion towards. So no doubt, I am not aware of your acting. I am not aware of your personal life more. But seeing your passion towards Arya Homes is really commendable. Really commendable. And Arya Homes has started just 2 years back. Though you're working past 10 years, but Arya Homes have started just 2 years back. And in just 2 years of journey, you have done a great job. And all credit goes to your passion. And if I'm not wrong, your team. Because it is not easy to work all the way in Raipur, all the way in Indore, Hyderabad, Goa, Guwahati. If I'm not wrong, you're working somewhere in Punjab, Chandigarh also.
Very soon we are going global.
Great.
We're going to a different country. We have that's what I said. No? It's all depends on your energy as a founder, as a company, because this is my baby, and God has been really kind that where we are today as a company, this was my vision for in 5 years, but I could have achieved in 2 years, and this is just the beginning. Because what I see is, as I told you, I'm not competing with anybody. I'm just competing with myself.
Yeah.
I have seen luxury. I've lived in Dubai. I've drove Ford Mustang. I've seen money. But मेरा मलंग कुछ और ही है ना. मेरा एक फितूर है कि मुझे सिर्फ नाम कमाना है अच्छी चीज करके. Life is very short. People will know you by your
Basically,
work.
you want to be Shah Rukh Khan of this industry?
I want to be Arsh of this industry. Shah Rukh Khan is amazing. I get inspiration from a lot of people. So I'm number one. Number ones they call you are the king. So for me, I always believe I'm the king. If I'm not the best, I'm not like the rest. For me, I'm always the best. In my mind, I am the strongest and the greatest. If you come to beat me, whoever wants to say, I want to beat this guy. The only way you can beat me is to be the hardest worker in the room. If you can work harder than me, you can be smarter than me, you can be anything, but you can't be me. One thing, because I've learned that I'm not, मेरे में अंदर कोई ego नहीं है, you know me यार. I'm a very grounded, down to earth person. Ego करने के लिए कुछ नहीं. जो लोग घमंड भी दिखाता है ना, मैं सिर्फ एक ही बात कहता हूँ, जब रावण अपना घमंड नहीं संभाल सका, हम तो फिर भी इंसान है.
Very true.
God is being kind, work is good. हाँ, मैं अपनी पूरे टीम को भी कहता हूँ, एज यू सेड ना, वी आर वर्किंग पैन इंडिया.
Yeah.
कल जब शादी हो जाएगी फिर क्या होगा, वहाँ पे आंसर कम मुझे ध्यान पे है. मैं जब बैक सीट में जा रहा हूँ ना, आई टेल माई HR पीपल जो मेरे टीम हायरिंग होते हैं ना, दे आस्क मी व्हाट आर लुकिंग फॉर. वेल आई एम लुकिंग फॉर अनदर अर्श. कहते हैं कि सर वो मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है.
That's 100%.
I'm looking for another Rush who I want to be in the back seat. I want the guy who has a hunger in his belly. Every city will have a franchisee. Every city will have Arya Homes. Every city will have, tomorrow. What is my vision for the next 5 years is where I see myself as a company. We are the best in India and overseas. We don't have a competitor. Maybe I might be wrong in a way 5 years care, or I might achieve it in 2 years. But I am unstoppable. Because मेरा कोई पर्सनल ग्रीड ही नहीं है. मेरा लाइफ स्टाइल इज वेरी सिंपल. आपको भी पता है.
I know that. I really know.
आप कभी भी बोलो, किसी ने पास बुलाएगा, मैं फैक्ट्री में जाके बंदे साथ बैठ के जमीन में बैठ के 2 रोटी सब्जी खा लेता हूँ रात को, और मतलब कुछ और लाविश शौक है नहीं. नेक्स्ट डे सुबह
The only passion is work. Arya Homes, Arya Homes, Arya Homes.
Arya Homes. If once I have a girl in my life, once will future, because जितना पैशनेटली मैं काम में हूँ उतना पैशनेटली मैं रोमांटिक इंसान भी हूँ. लोगों को नहीं समझ में आता. लोगों को लगता है नहीं यार, he is very rude, he is arrogant. People who see me now, they have a perception he must be arrogant guy. When they get to meet me, like no यार, he is very.
नहीं यार, arrogant तो नहीं लगते. You तो look sweet यार, no doubt. You are lucky enough कि भाई सर पे बाल नहीं रह के भी खूबसूरत दिख रहे हो, और क्या चाहिए.
That you're being very kind, but
Not kind, it's fact. Arya Homes is the company which is providing you all the solutions like bespoke furniture, loose furniture, kitchen, wardrobes, beds, doors, millwork and micro concreting, wall texture and all. So आपका ये पूरे मीडियम्स में से which is your favorite product?
That's the most important question. I would love to answer this. For me, see, all the wooden work, जो भी है, फर्नीचर हो गया, किचन, वार्डरोब, फर्नीचर, मिलवर्क, डोर, इसका एक ना डिज़ाइंस होता है. आपने एक बहुत ही प्रीमियम फर्नीचर में क्या होता है, टर्मिनेशन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, कि आपका कहाँ से कहाँ टर्मिनेट हो रहा है.
Very true.
वो चीज़ अगर आपने एग्जैक्टली प्रॉपरली कर दिया ना, तो फर्नीचर इज लुकिंग डैम गुड. उसमें ना ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं दिमाग और लगाने के लिए. इट्स गुड. बेस्ट गाय हु इज़ हैंडलिंग माई दिस डिपार्टमेंट, ही इज़ द बॉस फॉर दिस. मतलब उसने बोल दिया ना कि यार इसमें इतना एम का लगना है, कॉस्टिंग बढ़ रहा है. मैं बोला ठीक है, अच्छा दिखेगा ना, मुझे कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं चाहिए. तो लेकिन नहीं, उसमें अगर हमने इतना में बढ़ाएंगे, क्लाइंट लेकिन ज़्यादा पे नहीं करेगा, कोई नहीं. इट शुड लुक प्रीमियम. वो इटालियन वाली फील आना चाहिए कि सी as I told you, when I lived overseas for that many years, I wanted to bridge a gap between the luxury and the overprice. क्या होता है कि there is a market here in Delhi. एक है अपना कीर्ति नगर, एक हो गया अपना सुल्तानपुर साइड. That Sultanpur belt has all the Italian furniture, which is obnoxiously high price. People are paying because that's the client. And there is another market where it's in Kirti Nagar where the rates are very less. बिकॉज फॉर एग्जाम्पल क्या होता है, जो मेन वुड होता है ना आपका, एक होता है ब्रांच, एक होता है उसका ट्रंक का वुड हो गया, एक होता है ब्रांचेस का. तो ब्रांच का वुड का CFT इज ऑलवेज लेसर देन द मेन उसका ट्रंक का. वी ऑलवेज परचेज द ट्रंक वन बिकॉज द CFT इज वेरी हाई. व्हेनेवर यू गो टू एनी स्टोर, जब आप कोई फर्नीचर को पिक करते हो ना, विद द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द फर्नीचर यू गेट टू नो द क्वालिटी ऑफ द हेवीनेस एंड द थिकनेस. सो आई डोंट कॉम्प्रोमाइज ऑन ऑल ऑफ दिस, एंड दैट गाय इज द परफेक्ट गाय फॉर दैट. He will not let, कि मुझे पता है कि I'm obsessed with the brand name. तो coming back to your point,
Yeah.
वो तो चलो एक सेगमेंट है, but I love this micro concrete का wall texture and metallic paints.
There are many competitors in the market. There are many players in the market.
Absolutely.
Almost all like micro concrete wall textures have become very common now.
Yeah.
Almost all every finishing product supply guys having this product with them. So how do you differentiate Arya Homes from all of them? How do you? When it comes to price factor also, and when it comes to quality also, how do you differentiate?
For that, first you have to touch and feel this sample. I'm sure you must be dealing with a lot of micro concrete and these
Yeah.
world textures guys here in Hyderabad.
True.
You must have seen all of them. You must have touched the samples. You feel.
Yeah.
Do you find the difference on this?
See, honestly speaking, I can't judge this because generally, whenever we get done the work, it is selected by our professional. They are executed on site. So you will be the best person to, because you know every in and out of this. We don't know the technicalities.
As a layman, forget about the technicality.
Yeah.
As a layman, you are an end user.
I have seen your site. Can't say anything on the sample. I have seen your baby for a store at Delhi. So that's really commendable. I have never seen such micro concrete finish. I agree with that.
Correct.
And seeing sites here in Hyderabad, many or all over many places, but that is really something very different. So price factor is very important because market is competitive, as I said you, and everyone looks for price. Quality is one side, but still always price dominate. You know it.
Yeah.
So how do you differentiate RE homes?
That's the biggest challenge which I face every day because my working is very simple. Don't compromise on the quality. I always tell my clients that yes, my rate is a little bit on the premium side. The reason is why my process is a very different. So I started with a blue primer. A lot of people don't do that because उनको एक बार वॉल पे वाटर बेस्ड प्राइमर मार दिया ना उसके बाद वो डायरेक्टली अपना एक दो लेयर कोटिंग करेगा वैक्स कोट लेगा डन my product is a mixture of a 2-3 different everything. That's my R&D because in India every state is different. Every state moisture content is different.
Totally agree.
जो चीज़ मेरा दिल्ली में चलता है ना वो चीज़ मेरा गोवा में नहीं चलेगा.
नहीं चलेगा.
गोवा का moisture content is very high. So I use a product. We get imported from Italy. That's one of the product. It's called Calcitera. So I mostly do Calcitera. With that I mix my neocrete concrete का है उसके साथ mix कर that's also a composition where it depends on the city to city. How it आप किसी से भी पूछोगे ना मैक्सिमम पीपल बोलेगा कि सर टेक्सचर कर देगा लाइम प्लास्टर है वो मार के दे देगा सेम लगेगा अमेजिंग. Initially yes, but after a period of time cracks is a bigger issue they face. The second thing is your फिनिश के ऊपर क्वालिटी के ऊपर कभी कभार देखना हाथ में रंग आ रहा है फेस हो रहा है दिक्कत हो रहा है तो स्टार्टिंग में अच्छा लगेगा बट 6 महीने के बाद दे गेट द आंसर. आई डू लॉट ऑफ एक्सटीरियर एज वेल. एक्सटीरियर इज द बिगेस्ट चैलेंज.
100%.
एक्सटीरियर पे सर्वाइव करना अगर आप एमपीएम शोरूम में भी जाओगे ना जो एक्सटीरियर पे खान मार्केट वाला इज बीइंग लाइक 3 years नाउ या अभी भी वो खड़ा है. वो लोगों को देखकर तब जब जाके आज लोग मानने लगे बोले हाँ या बॉस कर तो अच्छा रहा है.
So your quality speaks.
एब्सोल्युटली. एंड द प्रोसेस उसके बाद मेरा एक बेस कोट डालेगा उसके बाद देयर इज 2 layer ऑफ टेक्सचर कोटिंग वी डू. आफ्टर दैट आई डू माय वैक्स कोट. देन in the end they're going to be a mixture of Serapeta and a top coat sealer coat which is a combination that protects you from the all other sources. AC के अंदर cracks develop होने से भी वो बचाएगा. This is a process. I don't want to disclose everything because that's a lot of things which I keep it with myself.
Got it.
Because if you ask KFC what are your secret ingredients, I also have a secret ingredients for that. I don't want to share this, but yes, a few things which I told you. My process is different. When I use premium, you have seen the store. That's what people are paying. My rate will be at least 50-60 rupees per square feet expensive than the other.
Almost 25-30%.
Hmm?
Almost 25-30% extra.
25-30% because you want quality.
100%.
मेरा बहुत सिंपल बात है. आपको सस्ता काम कराना है कि अच्छा काम कराना है. सस्ता काम कराने के लिए मार्केट इज ओपन. I don't go with bulk business. I want to do with limited quality business. I am focusing on a segment. I'm focusing on my niche clientele where they wanted niche product. They wanted something very exclusive. They know that we have one company, Arya Homes. That's it. That's my vision. मुझे अपने शोरूम पे यहाँ पे भी कहाँ पे भी जहाँ पे भी है मुझे वहाँ पे वॉक-इन्स 1000 नहीं चाहिए. मुझे 5-10 चाहिए होगा, वो 10 लोगों को
So basically you want to work with a premium niche client जो एक जो 5% है इंडिया का, you want to work with them
आई
basically.
एम वर्किंग विद देम.
Yeah.
I am, God is being kind. In that short period of time, I could just touch them. And they have the references of their league people. So that's how I'm getting those clientele through their reference. Or else, who is Arya Holmes, they will say. But when they say, no, Mr. XYZ has recommended because you have done his work, I want you to do my work, do my house.
How do you convince your client when it comes to price tag? Because client को तो सिर्फ यही समझ में आता है, because he is a layman. भाई suppose रूप भी माइक्रो कॉन्क्रीट दे रहा है, अर्श भी माइक्रो कॉन्क्रीट दे रहा है. रूप is doing at XYZ rate, Arsh is doing at XYZ rate. So how do you convince your client? Because it is tough.
Very, very.
Because client is always inclined towards rate. That is for sure. और उसको तो सैंपल ही देखना है. And every sample you know, whether I give or you give, that will be very impressive.
Correct.
So how do you convince your client?
That's why with this practice, I also do wall sampling.
On site.
On site.
Okay.
Samples तो मैं तो माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा बनाऊंगा. ऑन साइट में आपने जो कलर फाइनलाइज किया है कि आपको क्या, और बहुत सारे कंपनीज है जो वॉल सैम्पलिंग के चार्जेस लेते हैं. दे विल टेक एन एक्स अमाउंट बाय वॉल सैम्पलिंग कराने आपको 5-10,000 रुपीज लगेगा 4-5. आई डोंट चार्ज फॉर दैट. देयर इज अ रीजन व्हाई आई डोंट चार्ज, बिकॉज मुझे पता है कि मेरा तो बिकेगा ही.
How you are confident about your product? कि once you see the sample, you will definitely opt.
अभी रिसेंटली द स्टोर विच आई एम डूइंग इट्स वेरी competitive. My rates were higher for them. The architects has like, नहीं, we are being working with one जो मेरा हर साइट करता है, मैं उसी से कराऊंगा. मैं आर्या होम्स से क्यों कराऊंगा? आई डोंट नो. सो हु हैज हायर्ड मी फ्रॉम द मेन ऑफिस इन फ्रॉम बॉम्बे, दे आर लाइक यार दे आर नॉट रेडी, दे डोंट वांट टू डू विथ यू. मैंने बोला नो प्रॉब्लम. जो उनका वेंडर्स है ना, आप उनको बोले वॉल सैम्पलिंग करा ले, let it be done. After 4 days, I'll come. And I told my guys, don't put the name. Because generally when we do a sample, masking tape में आर्या होम्स लिख देते हैं.
सही बात है.
I said, don't let. So once this is done, the architect came to visit the site. He has just touch and feel my work. He's like, this is different. यही करना है. उसको ये नहीं पता था कि वो जिसके लिए मना किया था नहीं उसी ने बनाया.
Oh.
So when you have done the touch and feel of it, he's like, this is different. वैसे तो अच्छा लगा, बट वॉल पे बाकी लोगों ने जो किया है ना फिनिश पे, इसमें बहुत फर्क था. सो इन द एंड बिकॉज द प्रोसेस इज माई वेरी डिफरेंट. एंड टॉक अबाउट दैट, इसके साथ जो मैं मेटालिक पेंट्स भी क्या करता हूँ ना, माई मेटालिक पेंट्स इंडिया में शायद एक या दो कम कंपनी जो मेरे इस लेवल तक आते. दिस इज अ गन मेटल एंटीक लुक. आई एम डूइंग एन आर्किटेक्ट्स हाउस इन दिस, एंड दिस लुक्स क्वाइट प्रीमियम. सो वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1200 रुपीज पर स्क्वायर फीट. क्लाइंट कहता है कि भाई मेरे को तो ये 800 में 600 में लोग करा देते हैं. सर कराओ. अगर आप इसमें देखोगे ना, मेटालिक पेंट में ना, इट शुड गिव अ फील ऑफ मेटल, रियल मेटल. Recently I have done a project for camellias. We have DLF camellia is very well known in Gurgaon. India में like one of the most expensive flats जाते हैं. 100 CR का भी फ्लैट गया हुआ है.
Oh.
So one of those client, so I have done one furniture piece for him in metallic paint ombre. So he has come to the factory. Like एक दो बार उसने विजिट किया, प्रोसेस देखा. उसने बोला यार तू इससे पहले PU का हाई ग्लॉस कर रहा है. मैंने बोला हाँ. तो ये तो बहुत एक्सपेंसिव काम हो जाएगा, फिर तेरा क्या बचेगा? मैंने बोला आई विश आई कुड हैव रिकॉर्ड योर पार्ट. क्लाइंट को समझाने के लिए. ही सेड बिकॉज ही नोज अ लॉट विद दिस इंडस्ट्री. लेकिन मैंने बहुत जगह पे देखा ना, सीलर करके वो टॉप कोट मार के मेटालिक मारते हैं. बोले सर वो सस्ता काम है, ये अच्छा काम है. ये आपको जो मेटल वाली फील आएगा ना, इसी वजह से तो आ रहा है. बिकॉज आई स्पेंड एंड इन्वेस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ मनी इन द बेस वर्क. तब जाके जो चीज़ निकल के आता है ना, and this is where Arya Homes is standing different from others. I know it's difficult, and right now I think this is a very good platform to educate people to understand why we are not expensive. We are value for money.
Yeah, I was just about to say that.
Yes.
I've taken a lot of your time, Harsh. It was so nice interacting with you. Had a great time.
Same here.
Educated myself about this all products, and hope viewers will also get educated by your this podcast session. So one last question.
I also have one question. After you, I'll ask.
Okay. So what do you feel about A&I magazine? How do you find it? You keep traveling and you're from Delhi. You have seen many magazines. What do you feel about A&I Hyderabad?
This is what I was about to ask.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, mostly I think I have been to the South Belt, whichever you go, Kerala, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore. Your magazines are there on the airport,
Yeah,
and people are talking about it. And I think in South, this is growing a lot. I am like the input, the information what you put in your magazines is quite informative. My question was to you: when are you coming to Delhi or North India?
we're planning soon. The way you said, for Arya Homesky, you're looking for a you will be coming up with a franchisee. Same, A and I have a plans. Soon, we'll be having a magazine in Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, and hopefully in Delhi.
I would be the one to help you out for sure. I am more than keen because as I'm obsessed with my brand, I have seen how passionate you are with A&I magazines.
Yeah,
And only a passionate guy can understand a passionate guy's vision.
true.
And that's why we got connected. I think it's been a while. The moment we meet, we vibe. You know?
100%.
For me, and one thing is very like all the people knows whoever I work. If I don't vibe with you, I don't work with you.
100%.
Money is secondary for me. Like whoever wants to do business with me, like this is one tagline. If I vibe with you, I do business with you. If I don't vibe with you, regardless, it might be 1,000 crore or 100 crore business project. Sorry, not me. There's so many people in the market here. I want to go back home with peace of mind and relax.
Agreed.
The same thing with A&I magazine, and I'm sure the moment you enter North India, is going to be a bigger market because our industry, after I think Hyderabad is very booming these days, but Delhi and Bombay is in a different league.
100%.
So you should come there very soon, and I will be more than happy to be a part of it. Whatever I can to help you out, to get it on the platform. As some people, people know my work there,
Yeah.
and I know how dedicated you are for this magazine. So yeah, you should come to North India now. I think
Surely will. Surely by probably before 25 end should be there. At least we should launch A&I in 4-5 states. That's for
Absolutely.
sure.
Perfect.
How do you find the quality of A&I? Like
Oh.
you're passionate towards your work. I'm passionate towards the magazine. Me and my entire team. So 2 words on A&I.
There are so many. I think even you have a lot of competitors on this. So many people are coming.
Yeah.
Where I see from my point of view when I see the magazines, your content in your magazine is very educational purposes mostly. You're not into the advertisement part.
Yeah.
You're more into those kind of content and information
Yes.
which is very informative.
True.
Because a lot of magazines are doing good, but they've already made a brand name. They're mostly focusing on promotions, businesses, and stuff. But correct me if I'm wrong, but personally, what I see as an audience,
Yeah.
I feel is more informative.
Yes.
It gives a more education. It gives an exposure to the young architects and designers. If I'm not wrong,
100%. Like
I
our
think-
motto of our magazine was to bridge the gap between architects and vendors in Hyderabad. So luckily we are able to achieve that slowly, not.
And one thing
100%.
I really love about your magazines, what I've seen even the last time also, that there are top designers and architects in Hyderabad. They have made a mark. You are bridging a gap. Along with that, you have another thing, your vision. I've seen that who are the inspiring designers and architect.
Yeah.
You promote them very well
Yes.
because, and I think they will be more than happy to even hear this out that, behind the scenes, I know I have heard you talking to people and stuff that you are very much into, giving chances to people यार जिनके अंदर जज्बा है
100%.
जो यंग है ना यंग
True.
पीपल यू हैव दैट लाइक नहीं यार उनको भी चांस उनको लाओ प्रमोट करो
Yes.
उनको बढ़ाना दिस इज माय पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस व्हाट आई हैव सीन सो फार
Thank you so much for your valuable time, Harsh. It was
Pleasure.
great interacting with you. Really had a great time. Learned a lot from you. Thank you so much.
It was a pleasure to be here and I'm so glad you invited me.
Thank you.
I'm really looking forward for a long-term association.
100%.
And
Surely.
one thing, your energy and your vibe is so positive, and trust me that's when we could connect and sit for a while.
Yeah. Love you, bro.
We'll have you, brother. Come here, photo lena hai na?